Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Patna location. Let us discuss about each and every job opening in detail. Firstly, in this video, I am going to share the latest job openings available from Rail Restro. So this is the brief introduction and this is the brief idea about the company, like life at Rail Restro. So you please go through it once, and also why join our team. So you can also go through with the information provided here. It is mentioned by the company, and you can also check here with the multiple benefits and also your expectations provided here. So you can please go through with the information, and for more detailed information about the company, you can visit an official website link, and if you have any queries, you can also contact them with the given mail ID. So without any delay, let us discuss about the various vacancies available from the Rail Restro. Firstly, there is a job opening for SEO executive position. So salary will be current market standards. You should be having 1 to 5 years of experience to apply for this SEO executive position. So key requirements will be working knowledge of search engine optimization practices, ability to think creatively, strategically and identify and resolve problems, excellent verbal and written communication skills, ability to work within a team and independently, familiarization with good analytics and Google Search Console, understanding of website optimization tools, strong organizational time management and analytical skills, knowledge of SEO tools and data analysis skills. So these are the job requirements, and if you are interested to apply for this SEO executive position, you can send your resume to the provided mail ID, that is career@railrestro.com. Next one, there is a job opening for SEO content writer position. So to apply for this SEO content writer position, you should be having 1 year to 5 years of experience, and coming to responsibilities, you should be having knowledge of SEO content writing, create content for website, on-site blogs, articles and press releases, and consistently audit and improve existing web content, research and develop infographics, provide content writing instructions to external writers, and be able to post the blogs on different platforms, and should have an understanding of relative images, and optimizing current website, video transcriptions into word form, researching trending topics within food and travel related to keywords. Knowledge of Canva or Photoshop would be an added advantage. So these are the responsibilities to apply for this SEO content writer position. So interested candidates, you can send your resume to the provided mail ID, that is career@railrestro.com. Next one, the vacancy for digital marketing intern position. So 5 vacancies are available for this intern position located in Pataliputra, Patna, Bihar. So coming to job summary, assisting in the development of digital marketing tools and platforms, assisting in blogs and media postings, creating new concepts to enhance the visibility, making SEO plans and execute them to build traffic on the website, working on page and off page optimization. So this is about the job summary. So those students or fresher candidates are eligible to apply for these positions, like who are available for full-time in office internship, and who have relevant skills and interests, and who are available for duration of 3 months, and who are already graduated or currently in any year of study. So these candidates are eligible to apply for this digital marketing internship position. So for more detailed information, you can send your resume to the provided mail ID, that is career@railrestro.com. Next position, that is a position for digital marketing strategist. So for this position, responsibilities will be: develops unique strategies and builds upon current client strategies within the digital arena to meet or exceed objectives, executes projects to be high quality, on time and cost effective or on budget, manages overall project scope and ensures staffing assumptions adhere to budget, and manages client expectations, bringing issues or concerns to clients' attention before they become problems, offering potential solutions and advising of potential delivery delays, manages work and professional development of assigned project managers, and writes communications briefs, ensuring that creative and media are effectively integrated, and manages research studies that yield rich insights into consumer online behavior and key motivational or attitudinal behavior, and develops a total understanding of online target audience and mindset modes, and provides campaign performance reporting and analysis to clients, and ensures accountability is established during the project planning process. So these are the responsibilities for the digital marketing strategist position. So if you are interested to apply for this position, then you can send your resume to the provided mail ID. There is a job opening for social media manager position. So for this position, you should be having 1 year to 5 years of experience. And coming to candidate profile, required candidate profile: decent copywriting skills to convey ideas in a clear and precise way, proficiency across social media platforms, in-depth knowledge of paid and organic SM marketing, and must have experience of working with the social media tools, and proficiency in Microsoft Office, in Excel, Word, PowerPoint, etc. And you should be having strong communication, multitasking and analytical skills, fly to learn upcoming digital and social behaviors, willingness to evolve along the changing social landscape, and ability to prioritize workloads and manage multiple tasks and headlines. So these are the responsibilities and also the requirements for this social media manager position. So if you are interested to apply for this position, you can send your resume to the provided mail ID. There is a job opening for SEO intern position. So you are going to get a stipend for this SEO intern position. So to apply for this position, qualification will be pursuing graduation or graduate or postgraduate or professional. So 10 vacancies are available for this internship. So 10 number of internships are available, positions are available for this position. So coming to day-to-day responsibilities of intern, you need to develop and map out SEO and social media content to launch optimized online AdWords through Google AdWords, Facebook, etc. to increase brand awareness, and to focus on a combination of tactics and strategy for SEO or SEM or SMM for better reach, and to curate and manage all published content, images, video and written on different platforms, and to do everyday link submission, and to conduct activities and keyword research and sitemap building and submission on online platforms. So these are the day-to-day responsibilities of the intern. So interested candidates, to apply for this internship, you can send your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there is a job opening for social media intern position. So you are going to get stipend for this position. So qualification will be pursuing graduation or graduate or postgraduate or professional. So 10 number of vacancies are available for this intern. So coming to day-to-day responsibilities, it will be: you need to work on social media marketing with passion and work with knowledge of social media tool, and post content on social media platforms and search content and make modifications to the content, and do thorough research on current trends, and knowledge of Canva or Photoshop is a big plus. So these are the day-to-day responsibilities for this social media intern position. So for more detailed information and if you are interested to apply for this position, you can send your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there is a job opening for PR and communication manager position. So salary will be current market standards, so it will be dependent on current market standards. So to apply for this position, you should be having about 2 years of experience. Next, coming to responsibilities, you need to do copy editing, proofreading, communication revision for any outer communication activities, and you need to recommend, implement and maintain website design and operation, and public relations activities have to be carried out continuously, and press release and media stories and idea generation for frequent stories to be published, and create and distribute press releases, media relations content, case studies, white papers, executive bias and social media content, briefing materials and speaking proposals. So these are the key responsibilities, and if you are interested to apply for this position, you can send your resume to the provided mail ID, that is career@railrestro.com. One, there is a job opening for full stack Laravel developer or PHP developer position. So for this position, salary will be between 2.5 LPA to 7 LPA, and you should be having about 2 years of experience to apply for this position, and the job location will be Bangalore and Patna. So 3 vacancies are available for this post. Coming to job responsibilities, the candidate should be able to develop a fully responsive web portal, both backend and frontend, and competent in developing and consuming backend REST API, and you should be comfortable working with Bootstrap 4 and must be able to handle server management, and the candidate will be working in all stages of product development, starting from requirement analysis, a feasibility check, development and database optimization and testing and maintenance, and you should be comfortable working alone and with the team, and you should be able to relocate internationally for on-site opportunities if required, and good understanding of complete web development life cycle. So these are the job responsibilities. You please go through with the information provided here, and if you are interested to apply for this position, you can send your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there is a job opening for photography intern position. So you are going to get stipend for this position, and the qualification will be pursuing graduation or graduate or postgraduate or professional. So 10 vacancies are available for this position. So these candidates are eligible to apply for this position, like who are available for the work of office during their internship, and who can start the work immediately, and who are available for the duration of 3 months, and those who have relevant skills and interests, and who has a command over English grammar and language. So these candidates are eligible to apply for this photography intern position, and the perks will be, you will get certificate, letter of recommendation, pre-placement offer, stipend, and also work from home. So interested candidates, you can send your resume to the provided mail ID, that is career@railrestro.com. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. And please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.